So propel your hips forward, jump through. Good. Keep it going. Let's go, Sam. Come on. One more time. Yeah, down and back. Good. Let's go, Sam. Come on. Huh? Okay. Stretch it out and get it going. We're going one more down and back, and then we'll go for one legs now. Let's go. Come on, Cass. Down, deep squat. Explode. Explode through. Explode through. Out. There it is, baby. Gotta land it, though. Land it. Come on. I know y'all legs tired, man. Let's go. Get it done.
Don't land on that plate.
Come on. You gotta land both feet. You gotta land with both feet. Sam. Both feet. Let's go. Stay low. You barely touch the ground, y'all. When you jump through, you're right above the ground. That's all you're doing, right above it. You're not thinking about height, we're thinking about length. But land it. Good. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I see you, big dog. Land, good. That's better. Get them knees. You gotta propel them knees up, right? And shoot the hips forward. Drive your legs through. Good. Perfect. One more back. One more back. Let's go. Good. There it is.